Welcome, and thank you for spending this quiet night with us. Tonight, we drift back to the very beginning of everything and follow the whole long, gentle story of the universe. From its first soft warmth to its last quiet rest. This is the tale of all that is. Every star and every galaxy, every atom of gas drifting in the dark, all of it part of one vast and unhurried unfolding. We will begin at the beginning, when everything was gathered small and warm, and we will drift forward slowly, age by age, through the birth of light and the gathering of galaxies, all the way to the deep and peaceful calm of the far, far future. There is nothing to fear anywhere in this story, only wonder, soft and slow. So loosen your shoulders. Let your breathing grow long and even, and sink a little deeper into wherever you are lying. Close your eyes and let these 100 gentle facts about the universe carry you softly out across all of time and all the way down into sleep. Fact 1. The universe is everything there is, all the stars and all the galaxies, all the light and all the dark, all of space and all of time, gathered together into one vast and gentle whole. Imagine every glowing star you have ever seen, and every one you never will, all held within a single, boundless thing. Picture how calm it is to think of everything at once, no corner left out, nothing lost, all of it drifting quietly together through the deep. As you rest here, let that vastness feel not lonely, but comforting. A great soft room with endless space to breathe, and you resting gently somewhere within it. Let the sheer scale of it all pass softly and slowly through your mind, and then let it gently go, holding nothing and needing nothing, only drifting easily along with everything else. There is a deep and quiet peace in belonging to something so complete, so whole. And so, the universe holds everything softly in its arms, patient and boundless, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 2. This vast and gentle universe had a beginning, a quiet first moment about 13.8 billion years ago, from which all of time has slowly unfolded. Imagine following the story of everything backward, age by age, until you reach that single, soft starting point, where time itself gently begins. Picture how peaceful it is to know that even the universe has a first quiet moment, a place where the long story softly starts. As you lie here, let that gentle beginning settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and far away. There is a quiet comfort in a story with a soft beginning, unhurried and sure. And so the universe began long, long ago, patient and calm, its first gentle moment resting quietly in the deep. Fact 3. That beginning is what we softly call the Big Bang, though it was not truly a bang at all. No sound, no blast in empty space, but space itself gently beginning and swelling everywhere at once. Imagine not an explosion into a room, but the room itself quietly coming into being, growing softly larger in every direction. Picture how gentle that idea is. All of space unfolding tenderly from a single warm moment, calm and without noise. As you rest, let that soft image settle over you. A quiet swelling rather than any crash. Gentle beyond all telling. Let go of any picture of noise or fire, and imagine instead the softest possible beginning. Quieter than a whisper, gentler than a single slow breath drawn in the dark. There is a deep stillness at the heart of that beginning, soft and warm and calm. And so the universe began, not with a roar, but with a gentle unfolding, patient and quiet, resting softly in the dark. Fact 4. In that first moment, the whole universe was gathered warm and close together. Everything that would ever be, packed gently into a space smaller than we can easily picture. Imagine all the stars and galaxies yet to come, folded softly into a single warm point, calm and full of quiet promise. Picture how gentle that closeness must have been, everything near to everything else, nothing yet far away. As you lie here, let that image of a warm and gathered beginning settle over you, calm and soft and slow. There is a quiet tenderness in a universe once so small and so close. And so everything began gathered gently together, warm and near, resting quietly at the start of all things. Fact 5. In the very first sliver of a second, the young universe is thought to have swelled enormously in a gentle burst we call inflation, growing softly larger in far less than the blink of an eye. Imagine the tiniest speck easing outward until it was unimaginably vast, all in a moment quieter than a single heartbeat. Picture how smooth that great swelling must have been, stretching every wrinkle gently flat, leaving the young universe calm and even. As you rest, let that image of a soft and sudden growing settle over your thoughts, calm and slow in the mind, though swift in its moment. Let that great smoothing settle your own thoughts as well, easing every small wrinkle of the day gently flat, until your mind lies as calm and even as the young universe itself. There is a quiet wonder in so gentle a beginning to everything. And so the universe softly unfurled in its first instant, patient in the telling, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 6. In its first seconds, the universe was unimaginably hot and bright, a smooth sea of energy far too warm for any star or atom to form, glowing gently everywhere at once. Imagine a soft and boundless warmth filling all of space, calm and even, with no darkness anywhere and nothing yet solid within it. Picture how gentle that first heat must have been when you think of it slowly, a warm light spread quietly through the whole of the young cosmos. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and even warmth settle over you, calm and mild and slow. There is a quiet comfort in a beginning so warm and so smooth. And so the young universe glowed gently in its first moments, warm and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 7. As the universe gently swelled, it slowly cooled, and this soft cooling is the quiet engine of the whole long story. For only as things cooled could stars and atoms and worlds ever softly form. Imagine a great warmth easing gradually, gentler as space grows wider, calm and unhurried, making quiet room for all that is to come. Picture how patient that slow cooling must be, a warmth softening age by age across the deep. As you rest, let that image of a gentle, endless cooling settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and soft. Let your own warmth ease in just the same way, softening slowly and evenly as you lie here, every small tension cooling gently toward rest. There is a quiet peace in a warmth that eases so gently. And so the universe cooled softly as it grew, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 8. In those first warm moments, even the forces of nature were gathered close, and as the universe cooled, they gently drew apart into the familiar few: gravity and light, and the quiet forces that hold each atom together. Imagine a single soft unity slowly settling into separate gentle strands, each one easing quietly into its own place. Picture how calm that slow parting must have been. The deep rules of everything softly taking their gentle shapes. As you lie here, let that image of a quiet, settling apart drift over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet order in so gentle an unfolding, and so the forces of nature eased softly into place, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 9. In the earliest moments, the universe was too hot for any lasting matter, only a warm and flowing sea of the very smallest pieces. A gentle broth of quarks and their kin, drifting freely in the heat. Imagine a soft and boundless soup of the tiniest things there are, warm and smooth, nothing yet joined, all of it flowing quietly together. Picture how gentle that primordial sea must have been when you picture it slowly, a warm broth filling all of space. As you rest, let that image of a soft and flowing warmth settle over your thoughts, calm and even and slow. Let that soft and even flow carry your thoughts along with it. Nothing sharp anywhere and nothing to catch on. Only a gentle, warm current drifting quietly through the deep. There is a quiet simplicity in so smooth a beginning, and so the young universe flowed as a gentle sea of the smallest things, warm and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 10. As that warm sea cooled a little more, the tiny quarks gently joined together, 3 by 3, into the first protons and neutrons, the small quiet cores that sit at the heart of every atom today. Imagine those smallest pieces easing softly together, settling into little gathered knots, calm and steady in the cooling warmth. Picture how gentle that first joining must have been, the very first true particles taking shape quietly in the young universe. As you lie here, let that image of a soft coming together settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in the first small things ever made. And so the first protons and neutrons formed gently in the warmth, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 11. In that early warmth, matter and its mirror, antimatter, were made in almost equal measure. Yet for every billion pairs, one lonely particle of matter was left over, and from that gentle handful, all things are made. Imagine a vast, soft balance tipping ever so slightly, leaving behind just enough matter to become every star and every world. Picture how tender that tiny leftover must be, so small a surplus giving rise to everything there is. As you rest, let that image of a gentle, saving imbalance settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let it comfort you to know that everything you have ever loved was gathered from that soft and saving remainder. The gentlest of surpluses quietly become the whole warm world. There is a quiet grace in a universe built from what was gently left behind. And so, a soft remainder of matter survived to make all things, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 12. Only a single soft second into the story, the ghostly little particles we call neutrinos gently let go of the rest of matter and began to drift freely. And they are drifting still, the oldest, quiet travelers of all. Imagine a vast tide of the faintest particles easing softly outward, passing gently through everything, never stopping, never slowing. Picture how patient those quiet travelers must be, adrift since the universe was 1 second old. As you lie here, let that image of soft and ancient wanderers settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in something so old still gently drifting by. And so the neutrinos have drifted since the first second, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 13. When the universe was only a few minutes old, it was still warm enough for the first light nuclei to gently form, as protons and neutrons eased together into the cores of hydrogen and helium, the first ingredients of the stars. Imagine those small pieces joining softly in the fading warmth, building the very first simple nuclei, calm and quiet in the cooling deep. Picture how gentle that brief making must have been. The raw stuff of every star, quietly set in place in mere minutes. As you rest, let that image of a soft, early forging settle over your thoughts. Calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that the very first ingredients of every star were laid down so softly and so soon, quietly waiting through all the long ages for their slow work to begin. There is a quiet beauty in so early and gentle a beginning. And so the first nuclei formed softly in the young warmth, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 14. In those first few minutes, the universe set its gentle recipe for all time. About 3 parts hydrogen to 1 part helium, with only the faintest trace of anything heavier. A soft mix that still fills the cosmos today. Imagine that quiet blend settling into place across all of space. Calm and even. The same gentle proportions everywhere at once. Picture how patient that early recipe must be, unchanged in its bones through all the long ages since. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and lasting mixture settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet steadiness in something set so gently and kept so long. And so the universe fixed its gentle recipe in its first minutes, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 15. After only a few soft minutes, the universe had cooled too far for any more nuclei to form, and the gentle work of that first forging quietly came to an end, leaving a warm and glowing haze of nuclei and drifting particles. Imagine the great making gently ceasing, the young cosmos settling into a soft, warm fog, calm and even across all of space. Picture how patient that glowing haze must have been, waiting quietly through the ages for the next slow chapter of the story. As you rest, let that image of a soft and settled warmth drift over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that image of a warm and settled haze drift over you, the young universe content simply to glow and to wait, in no hurry at all for whatever might come next. There is a quiet peace in a task so gently finished, and so the first forging softly ended, patient and calm, the young universe resting quietly in the deep. Fact 16. For a long while after, the universe was a warm and glowing fog, so thick with drifting particles that light could not travel far at all, but only wander gently from one to the next. Imagine a soft, luminous mist filling every corner of space, warm and even, glowing quietly in all directions with no clear view through it. Picture how gentle that bright fog must have been, a whole universe softly aglow, calm and close and warm. As you lie here, let that image of a soft, glowing haze settle over you, calm and mild and slow. There is a quiet comfort in so warm and even a light. And so the young universe glowed softly as a gentle fog, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 17. When the universe was about 380,000 years old, it had cooled to a soft warmth, and at last the drifting particles gently joined, electrons easing into place around nuclei to form the first whole, calm atoms. Imagine countless tiny pairings happening quietly all across space. Each one a small settling down, calm and gentle in the cooling warmth. Picture how peaceful that great joining must have been, the universe softly gathering itself into steady atoms at last. As you rest, let that quiet settling down ease over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that great settling down soothe your own thoughts as well, each drifting worry easing softly into place, the way the young universe gathered itself into steady, patient atoms. There is a quiet tenderness in so gentle a coming together. And so the first whole atoms formed softly in the cooling deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 18. As those first atoms formed, the warm fog gently cleared, and for the first time, light could travel freely across space, easing softly outward in every direction without anything to stop it. Imagine the great glowing haze quietly thinning to clearness, the whole universe becoming gently transparent all at once, calm and open and soft. Picture how peaceful that clearing must have been, a soft light set free to drift across the deep at last. As you lie here, let that image of a gentle clearing settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in a universe softly opening to the light. And so the fog lifted and the light drifted free, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 19. That first freed light is still traveling now, stretched and cooled by the long ages into a soft glow of microwaves that fills the whole sky. The gentle relic we call the cosmic microwave background. Imagine a faint, even warmth reaching us from every direction at once. The softest echo of the universe's warm youth, calm and quiet and everywhere. Picture how patient that ancient light must be, drifting for 13 billion years to arrive gently now. As you rest, let that image of a soft, all-surrounding glow settle over your thoughts, calm and slow, and mild. Let it warm you to know that this ancient glow is passing softly through you even now. The oldest thing there is, wrapping you gently on every side as you rest. There is a quiet comfort in being bathed so gently in such old and even light. And so the first light still glows softly around us, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 20. That soft background glow is the oldest light we can ever see. A gentle picture of the universe as it was when it first grew clear. The tender baby photograph of everything there is. Imagine the whole cosmos held in a single soft image, warm and even, taken when it was only newly born. Picture how patient that ancient portrait must be, carried gently to us across all the ages of the deep. As you lie here, let that image of the universe's soft first likeness settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in seeing so far back into so gentle a beginning. And so, the oldest light shows us the universe young, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 21. That gentle old glow is almost perfectly smooth, yet across it lie the faintest, soft ripples, places just a little warmer and a little cooler. And these tiny ripples are the quiet seeds from which every galaxy would one day grow. Imagine a calm and even warmth spread across the whole sky, brushed here and there with the softest, gentlest unevenness. Picture how patient those tiny ripples must be, holding within them the promise of all the great structures yet to come. As you rest here, let that image of soft and gentle ripples settle over you, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that everything grand and gentle you know began as the softest of ripples, a mere whisper of unevenness, patiently waiting to become galaxies. There is a quiet wonder in something so faint, holding something so vast. And so the seeds of every galaxy lay softly in that ancient glow, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 22. Apart from those faint ripples, the early universe was astonishingly even, the same soft warmth in every direction you could ever look, smooth and calm across the whole of the deep. Imagine turning slowly to face any part of the sky and finding the same gentle glow waiting there, even and mild, with no corner warmer than another. Picture how peaceful that great smoothness must be. A whole universe balanced softly and quietly, the same everywhere at once. As you lie here, let that image of a calm and even cosmos settle over you, gentle and slow and soft. There is a deep restfulness in something so evenly and quietly balanced. And so the young universe lay smooth and calm in every direction, patient and even, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 23. After the light drifted free, the universe entered a long and gentle quiet we call the Dark Ages, for the first atoms had formed, but no stars had yet been lit, and all of space was soft and still and dark. Imagine a vast, calm sea of gentle gas drifting through the black, cool and quiet, with no single point of light anywhere within it. Picture how patient that long darkness must have been, waiting softly across many millions of years for the first star to wake. As you rest, let that image of a soft and starless dark settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that long, soft darkness settle over you like a warm and quiet blanket. A whole universe content simply to drift and wait, unhurried and unbothered, and at perfect ease. There is a deep and gentle peace in so quiet a waiting. And so the universe drifted through its dark ages, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 24. All through that long quiet, gravity was gently at work, drawing the soft gas ever so slowly together, gathering it patiently into denser and denser gentle pools across the drifting dark. Imagine the faint gas easing quietly inward, little by little. No hurry anywhere, only a soft and patient gathering across the ages. Picture how gentle that slow drawing together must have been. The universe, quietly assembling the makings of its first stars. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and patient gathering settle over you, calm and smooth and slow. There is a soothing rhythm in something drawing so gently together. And so gravity gathered the gas softly through the dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 25. Guiding all that gentle gathering was a quiet, unseen thing we call dark matter. A soft, invisible web spread through all of space, whose gravity gently drew the ordinary gas into the places where galaxies would form. Imagine a faint, hidden scaffold threaded through the whole universe, unseen and calm, softly shaping where everything would gather. Picture how patient that quiet framework must be, guiding the slow assembly of all things without ever being seen. As you rest, let that image of a gentle, unseen web settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that gentle, unseen web quietly hold your own thoughts too, softly gathering the scattered pieces of your day and drawing them slowly and calmly toward rest. There is a quiet wonder in so soft and hidden a helper. And so the dark matter gently shaped the gathering universe, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 26. When the universe was perhaps 100 or 200 million years old, the first stars at last gently kindled, waking softly in the gathered gas, and bringing the very first true light to the long dark. Imagine a faint new warmth easing awake in the deep, the first star quietly beginning to shine after ages of gentle darkness. Picture how tender that first light must have been, a soft glow born into a universe that had never known a star. As you lie here, let that image of a first gentle light settle over you, calm and warm and slow. There is a quiet joy in so soft a beginning to the stars, and so the first stars kindled gently in the dark, patient and warm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 27. Those first stars were made from nothing but the gentle hydrogen and helium of the young universe, with no heavier elements at all, and so they grew large and warm, shining softly bright across the early dark. Imagine great gentle suns of the very simplest gas, glowing warm and calm in a cosmos that held nothing heavier yet. Picture how patient those first stars must have been, the pioneers of all the light to come, drifting quietly in the deep. As you rest, let that image of soft and simple early stars settle over your thoughts, calm and warm and slow. Let it soothe you to picture those pioneer suns glowing calm and warm in an empty young cosmos, the very first lights ever to shine, patient and unhurried in the deep. There is a quiet wonder in stars made of only the first gentle gas. And so The first stars shone softly from the simplest stuff, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 28. The soft light of those first stars gently ended the long, dark ages, and this quiet turning is fondly called the cosmic dawn, the gentle morning of the universe when its first stars began to shine. Imagine the deep, starless dark, slowly warming with the first faint glimmers of light, calm and soft, a gentle morning spreading across the cosmos. Picture how peaceful that first dawn must have been, the universe easing quietly from darkness into its earliest light. As you lie here, let that image of a soft cosmic morning settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet tenderness in so gentle a dawn. And so the cosmic dawn broke softly over the deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 29. Deep within those first stars, gentle new elements were quietly forged. The carbon and oxygen that had never existed before, made softly in the warm hearts of the earliest suns. Imagine the first heavier atoms taking shape slowly in the calm cores of the first stars, gentle riches gathering where there had been only the simplest gas. Picture how patient that quiet making must have been, the universe softly enriching itself for the first time. As you rest, let that image of gentle new elements forming settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it comfort you that even the first carbon and oxygen, the gentle beginnings of every living thing, were made so quietly and so kindly, deep within the earliest stars. There is a quiet grace in so soft a first enrichment. And so the first stars forged their gentle riches within, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 30. When those first stars grew old, they returned their new-made elements softly to the dark, some easing them out in gentle winds, and some in the slow, soft bloom we call a supernova, seeding the young gas with quiet gifts. Imagine an early star releasing its gentle riches into the surrounding cloud, calm and slow, scattering the makings of future worlds through the deep. Picture how generous that soft returning must have been, the first stars quietly enriching all that would come after. As you lie here, let that image of a gentle giving back settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet grace in so soft a legacy. And so the first stars gave their riches gently to the dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 31. As more and more stars kindled, their soft light gently reached out into the drifting gas and freed its electrons once again, in a slow and quiet turning we call reionization, the last great clearing of the early universe. Imagine countless soft glows, spreading gentle bubbles of clarity through the neutral gas, each one easing quietly outward until they softly joined. Picture how patient that slow clearing must have been, the universe growing gently more open across long ages of starlight. As you rest, let that image of a soft and spreading clarity settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let those soft bubbles of light drift gently across your thoughts, each one a quiet clearing, the whole universe slowly and patiently opening toward the calm it holds today. There is a quiet wonder in so gentle an opening, and so the starlight cleared the gas softly once more, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 32. That slow reionization was gently complete by the time the universe was about 1 billion years old, leaving all of space soft and clear, the gas thin and transparent, the last of the early haze quietly gone. Imagine the whole cosmos easing at last into a gentle clearness, calm and open, its long fogs and its darkness both softly behind it now. Picture how peaceful that finished clearing must have been. The universe settled quietly into the openness it holds today. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and finished clarity settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet comfort in so gentle a completion. And so the early haze was softly gone by 1 billion years, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 33. And so the universe passed gently from its long, dark waiting into a cosmos full of soft and scattered light, its first stars glowing quietly across the deep, the childhood of everything, calm and warm and slow. Imagine those early ages folding softly one into the next, darkness easing into dawn, and dawn into a sky of gentle first stars. Picture how patient that whole slow childhood must have been, unfolding tenderly across hundreds of millions of years. As you rest, let that image of a gentle cosmic childhood settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let the whole long childhood of the cosmos settle softly over you, age easing into age and darkness into dawn, all of it unfolding slowly and tenderly across the deep. There is a quiet peace in so soft a growing up of the universe, and so the young cosmos filled softly with its first light, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 34. As the first stars gathered together, they formed the earliest galaxies, small, soft islands of light drifting in the young dark, the gentle beginnings of the great galaxies we know today. Imagine little clusters of early stars easing quietly together into the first soft galaxies, calm and small against the deep. Picture how patient those early islands must have been, gathering slowly across the ages into something greater. As you lie here, let that image of soft first galaxies settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet tenderness in so small and gentle a beginning. And so the first galaxies drifted softly in the young dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 35. Those first small galaxies slowly grew by gently drifting together and softly merging, one easing into another across long ages, building larger and calmer galaxies from many little ones. Imagine two soft islands of stars drawing quietly nearer and folding gently into one, calm and slow, with no crash and no haste. Picture how patient that slow merging must be, galaxies joining softly across hundreds of millions of years. As you rest, let that image of a gentle coming together settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that gentle image of two galaxies folding slowly into one drift calmly through your mind. No crash and no hurry anywhere, only a soft and patient coming together. There is a quiet grace in so soft a joining. And so the galaxies grew gently by merging in the dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 36. Deep in the hearts of those growing galaxies, great, quiet giants slowly gathered, the supermassive black holes, vast and calm, settling softly into the very centers where the gathering was thickest. Imagine a deep, gentle stillness forming at the heart of an early galaxy, a great calm weight easing quietly into place. Picture how patient those central giants must be, resting softly at the middle of their galaxies across all the ages. As you lie here, let that image of a deep, quiet center settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a profound stillness in so gentle a heart. And so, the great black holes settled softly into the galaxies, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 37. When gas drifted slowly toward those early central giants, it glowed softly as it gathered, and some young galaxies shone as quasars, the gentle, bright beacons of the early universe, their soft light reaching us still from long ago. Imagine a distant, early galaxy glowing calmly at its heart, its soft light easing outward across billions of years to arrive gently now. Picture how patient that ancient glow must be, a quiet beacon drifting to us from the universe's youth. As you rest, let that image of a soft, distant light settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that the soft light from such a distant heart set out before the earth was born, drifting patiently across the ages to arrive so gently now. There is a quiet wonder in seeing so far and so long ago, and so the early quasars glowed softly across the deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 38. For a long, gentle stretch, some billions of years after the beginning, the universe made stars more freely than ever before or since. A soft and busy season we fondly call the cosmic noon, when new suns kindled quietly all across the deep. Imagine galaxy after galaxy glowing warm with new stars. The whole cosmos softly at its brightest and most fertile, calm and full of gentle light. Picture how peaceful that great season of starbirth must have been, unfolding slowly across the ages. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and fruitful cosmic noon settle over you, calm and warm and slow. There is a quiet warmth in so gentle a springtime of the stars, and so the universe made its stars most freely then, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 39. As the galaxies grew and settled, they eased softly into the gentle shapes we know, some winding slowly into graceful spirals, some gathering into calm, smooth ellipticals, each settling quietly into its own form across the ages. Imagine a great galaxy slowly turning, its soft arms winding gently outward, calm and unhurried in the deep. Picture how patient that slow settling into shape must be. A galaxy easing softly into its gentle form over billions of years. As you rest, let that image of a soft, turning shape settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that slow, turning shape ease through your thoughts, its soft arms winding gently outward, calm and unhurried, taking whole ages to settle into its quiet grace. There is a quiet beauty in so gentle a form. And so the galaxies settled softly into their shapes, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 40. Our own Milky Way slowly assembled in just this gentle way, gathering itself across many billions of years from smaller galaxies and drifting gas into the great calm spiral we drift within tonight. Imagine our home galaxy easing softly together across the ages, its gentle arms slowly winding into place, calm and patient in the deep. Picture how long and gentle that slow building must have been, our whole galaxy taking shape quietly around us. As you lie here, let that image of our home softly forming settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a deep comfort in belonging to so patient and gentle a galaxy. And so the Milky Way gathered itself softly through the ages, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 41. Galaxies rarely drift alone. Gravity gently gathers them into soft companies, small groups and larger clusters, where dozens or hundreds of galaxies drift slowly together, bound calmly for the long ages. Imagine a quiet gathering of galaxies easing softly around one another, calm and companionable in the deep. None of them ever truly alone. Picture how peaceful that slow gathering must be. Galaxies drifting gently together across billions of years. As you rest here, let that image of a soft company of galaxies settle over you, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft company of galaxies settle over you, drifting calmly side by side through the deep. Each one held gently near its neighbors. None of them ever truly alone. There is a quiet comfort in so gentle a togetherness. And so the galaxies gather softly into their clusters, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 42. And the clusters themselves gather gently into greater gatherings still, the superclusters, vast soft assemblies of many clusters, among the largest calm structures in all the universe. Imagine cluster drifting near cluster across enormous gentle distances, all easing slowly together into a single great and quiet whole. Picture how patient those vast assemblies must be, gathering softly across spans almost too large to hold in the mind. As you lie here, let that image of a great gentle gathering settle over you, calm and slow and vast. There is a deep peace in something so immense and so unhurried. And so the clusters gather softly into superclusters, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 43. Seen at the very grandest scale, all these galaxies and clusters trace out a soft and delicate pattern, the cosmic web. Long, gentle filaments of galaxies threading through the dark like the quiet strands of a great, still spider's web. Imagine slender, bright threads of galaxies drifting across the deep, gently joined at soft, glowing knots where the clusters gather. Picture how patient and vast that great web must be, spread quietly across the whole of the universe. As you rest, let that image of a soft cosmic web settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let those slender, glowing threads drift softly across your mind, gently joined at their quiet knots, the whole vast web resting calm and still across the deep. There is a quiet beauty in so gentle a pattern spread so wide. And so the galaxies drift along the cosmic web, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 44. Between the bright threads of the web lie the great cosmic voids, vast, soft rooms of near emptiness, calm and dark, stretching hundreds of millions of light years with only the faintest scattering of galaxies within. Imagine a great gentle hollow in the deep, quiet and open, where the galaxies grow few and the dark spreads softly wide. Picture how peaceful those enormous empty rooms must be, calm and still, across almost unimaginable distances. As you lie here, let that image of a vast, gentle emptiness settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so much soft and open space. And so the great voids rest quietly between the threads, patient and calm, resting softly in the dark. Fact 45. The whole of this great web is quietly shaped by the unseen dark matter, whose gentle gravity forms the soft scaffold along which all the galaxies gather. For most of the matter in the universe is this calm and hidden kind. Imagine an invisible framework spread through all of space, soft and unseen, gently guiding where every galaxy comes to rest. Picture how patient that hidden scaffold must be, quietly holding the great web in its gentle shape across the ages. As you rest, let that image of a soft, unseen framework settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that so great and gentle a framework holds the whole universe softly in its shape, quietly and faithfully, without ever once being seen. There is a quiet wonder in so much held gently by something never seen. And so the dark matter shapes the web softly from within, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 46. The filaments and walls of the cosmic web are the largest structures known, some stretching soft and slow across hundreds of millions of light years. Gentle threads so vast that light itself drifts along them for ages. Imagine a single great strand of galaxies reaching so far across the deep that its distant ends have never known one another. Picture how patient and immense those vast threads must be, drifting quietly across spans beyond all easy telling. As you lie here, let that image of a great, gentle structure settle over you, calm and slow and vast. There is a deep peace in something so enormous and so soft, and so the great filaments drift on across the deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 47. And all of this, every galaxy and cluster, every thread of the great web, grew softly from those faint ripples in the ancient light, gravity gently drawing matter into the seeds that were sown so long ago. Imagine the softest early unevenness, slowly deepening across the ages into all the grand and gentle structure we see. Picture how patient that long growing must have been, the whole cosmic web unfolding quietly from the tiniest of beginnings. As you rest, let that image of a great pattern grown from soft seeds settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it comfort you to follow that soft thread from beginning to end, the tiniest ripple in the ancient light, slowly and patiently becoming every galaxy there is. There is a quiet wonder in so vast a thing, born of so faint a start. And so the whole web grew gently from the ancient ripples, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 48. Our own galaxy drifts within a soft small company called the local group. The Milky Way and the great Andromeda, along with a gentle scattering of smaller galaxies, all drifting quietly together through the deep. Imagine a little gathering of galaxies, easing softly along side by side, calm and companionable across the vast dark. Picture how peaceful that quiet neighborhood must be, our home drifting gently among a few soft companions. As you lie here, let that image of a small galactic company settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet comfort in drifting gently among neighbors. And so the local group drifts softly through the deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 49. Our local group drifts in turn near the great Virgo cluster, and within the vast, soft supercluster we fondly call Laniakea, our gentle cosmic address spread across 500 million light-years of the deep. Imagine our little group easing quietly along the outer reaches of a great gathering of galaxies, calm and unhurried in the immense dark. Picture how vast and patient that great home must be, holding our galaxies softly among thousands of others. As you rest, let that image of our grand, quiet address settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and vast. Let that vast and quiet address settle over you, our little galaxy drifting softly among thousands of others, all of them held gently together in one great, calm gathering. There is a deep peace in belonging to something so large and so gentle. And so we drift softly within Lania Kea, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 50. Of all the ordinary matter there is, only a little rests within the stars. Most of it drifts as thin and quiet gas in the vast spaces between the galaxies, a soft, unseen haze spread gently through the deep. Imagine the bright stars holding only a small share of the everyday stuff, while far more drifts calm and dim in the great spaces between. Picture how peaceful that quiet gas must be, spread soft and thin across distances beyond easy telling. As you lie here, let that image of a gentle drifting haze settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in so much soft matter resting unseen between the lights. And so, most ordinary matter drifts quietly between the galaxies, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 51. When we softly tally the whole universe, the gentle recipe comes out much the same each time. Only a small part is ordinary matter. A larger part is the unseen dark matter. And most of all is the quiet dark energy that fills every empty space. Imagine the whole cosmos gently divided into these three soft shares. The seen a small slice, and the unseen by far the most. Picture how calm it is to hold the whole recipe of everything in a single quiet thought. As you rest, let that image of a soft threefold whole settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that so much of everything is soft and unknown, quietly filling the deep, asking nothing of us, content simply to be gently unseen. There is a quiet wonder in a universe mostly made of gentle mystery. And so the cosmos rests in its soft recipe, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 52. Far along in the story, when the universe was already more than 9 billion years old, our own sun and earth gently formed, soft latecomers, gathered from a cloud enriched by all the stars that had lived and died before. Imagine our familiar star easing quietly into being long after the cosmos had grown mature, calm and gentle in an already ancient universe. Picture how patient that long wait must have been, the ground softly prepared by generations of earlier stars. As you lie here, let that image of our late and gentle beginning settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet comfort in arriving so softly, so well provided for. And so the sun and earth formed gently, late in the story, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 53. And so we are gentle latecomers to the universe, arriving softly after billions of years of quiet building, when the stars had already forged the very atoms that would one day become us. Imagine the long ages of stars living and dying, patiently gathering the riches, all before we ever softly arrived. Picture how tender it is to come so late to so old, and so well prepared a home. As you rest, let that image of a gentle and welcome arrival settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let it warm you to know that everything was so tenderly made ready before we ever arrived. The long ages of stars quietly preparing a home for us to rest within. There is a deep comfort in coming so softly into so patient a universe. And so we arrived gently, late and welcome, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 54. And here tonight the universe is about 13.8 billion years old, a great and gentle age, and yet still only the soft early morning of a story that will drift on far, far longer than this. Imagine all those billions of years folded quietly behind us, and know that they are but the first soft chapter of the tale. Picture how calm it is to rest at so gentle a point in so vast a story. The deep past behind and the long future ahead. As you lie here, let that image of a great quiet age settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep peace in resting within so unhurried a story. And so the universe drifts on at 13 billion years, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 55. The part of the universe we can see, the observable universe, stretches soft and vast about 93 billion light-years across, a gentle sphere so wide the mind can only hold it slowly. Imagine a great calm bubble of everything we could ever see, spread so far that light drifts across it for tens of billions of years. Picture how patient and vast that soft sphere must be, holding uncounted galaxies quietly within it. As you rest, let that image of a great gentle sphere settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and vast. Let that great gentle sphere settle over you, wider than the mind can easily hold, and let its vastness feel not distant, but comforting, a boundless, quiet room in which to rest. There is a deep peace in something so immense and so soft. And so, the observable universe drifts vast and calm around us, patient and quiet, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 56. That the visible universe is wider than its age in light years might seem strange, yet it is gently so. Because space itself has been quietly stretching all the while the ancient light has traveled, carrying the far galaxies softly farther as their light drifted our way. Imagine a soft light setting out long ago while the very space beneath it slowly widened, so that its starting place drifted gently ever farther. Picture how patient that long journey must be, across a road that quietly lengthens as it is traveled. As you lie here, let that image of a gently stretching space settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in so soft a widening, and so the visible universe grew wider than its years, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 57. The observable universe is a soft sphere, gently centered on us. Its edge simply the farthest place from which light has had time to reach us. Not a wall or an ending, but only the quiet limit of what we can yet see. Imagine a gentle horizon drawn softly around us in every direction, as far as the oldest light has drifted in all the ages. Picture how calm that soft boundary is, not an edge to anything, but only the reach of our quiet gaze. As you rest, let that image of a gentle horizon settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that gentle horizon rest softly around you, not a wall to press against, but only the quiet reach of our seeing, calm and open in every direction at once. There is a quiet peace in so soft a limit, and so our horizon rests gently around us, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 58. Beyond that soft horizon, the universe surely drifts on, gentle and unseen, farther than any light has yet had time to bring us. Perhaps vastly larger than all we can see, perhaps softly without end at all. Imagine our great visible sphere as only a small, calm island within a deep that reaches quietly on and on beyond our sight. Picture how peaceful that unseen vastness must be, drifting softly past the edge of everything we know. As you lie here, let that image of a gentle, boundless beyond settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet comfort in so soft and endless a deep, and so the universe drifts on beyond our seeing, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 59. All across the deep, the universe is gently expanding. Not the galaxies flying apart through space, but space itself quietly stretching so that the far galaxies drift ever so softly farther away with each passing age. Imagine all of space easing gently wider, everywhere at once, carrying the distant galaxies slowly outward like soft marks on a swelling cloth. Picture how patient that great stretching must be, unfolding calmly across billions of years. As you rest, let that image of a softly widening space settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft and even widening carry your thoughts along with it, everything easing slowly apart, calm and unhurried, the whole deep quietly making a little more room. There is a deep restfulness in so gentle and even a spreading, and so the universe drifts slowly wider, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 60. In this gentle expansion, the farther a galaxy lies from us, the faster it softly drifts away. A quiet pattern first noticed long ago, and known now as the gentle law of the expanding universe. Imagine the near galaxies easing slowly outward, and the far ones drifting more swiftly still, all of it calm and smooth and unhurried. Picture how patient that soft ordering must be, every distance drifting gently in its measure across the deep. As you lie here, let that image of a calm and ordered widening settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet beauty in so gentle a rule. And so, the far galaxies drift softly faster away, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 61. As space gently stretches, the light of the far galaxies is softly stretched along with it, its waves drawn out longer and shifted toward the red. A gentle reddening we call the cosmic redshift. Imagine a soft beam of starlight easing across the widening deep, its color drifting slowly toward the warm and gentle red as it comes. Picture how patient that quiet reddening must be, the very light of distant galaxies softened by the long stretch of space. As you rest here, let that image of a gently reddening light settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that gently reddening light drift across your mind, its color softened by the long, slow stretch of space, arriving warm and calm after ages of quiet travel. There is a quiet beauty in light so softly changed by its journey. And so the far light drifts gently redder to us, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 62. That soft reddening is a gentle gift, for by it we can read how far a galaxy lies and how long its light has drifted. The redshift, a quiet ruler and a soft clock, telling the story of the deep. Imagine each distant galaxy carrying in the color of its light a gentle record of its distance and its age. Picture how patient and kind that soft signal must be, quietly telling us how far and how long across the ages. As you lie here, let that image of a gentle cosmic clock settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in reading the deep by so soft a sign. And so, the redshift gently tells the depths of space, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 63. The gentle expansion has no center at all, no single place from which everything flees. For space stretches evenly everywhere at once, and from any galaxy the others would seem to drift softly away just the same. Imagine standing on any star in any galaxy and seeing the same quiet drifting apart in every direction, no matter where you are. Picture how calm that even spreading must be. A widening with no middle and no edge. The same soft motion everywhere. As you rest, let that image of a centerless, gentle expansion settle over your thoughts. Calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that there is no lonely center anywhere. No single place things flee from. Only the same soft drifting apart, seen gently from every point at once. There is a deep peace in so even and so fair a spreading. And so the universe widens softly with no center, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 64. A gentle way to hold this in mind is a soft loaf of raisin bread rising slowly in a warm oven. As the dough gently swells, every raisin drifts farther from every other, though no raisin is moving through the dough at all. Imagine the soft bread rising quietly, each raisin easing away from all its neighbors as the dough grows gently wider. Picture how calm that slow rising is. A whole loaf swelling softly, with nothing hurrying within it. As you lie here, let that gentle, homely image settle over you, calm and warm and slow. There is a quiet comfort in so soft and simple a picture of the deep. And so the galaxies drift apart like raisins in rising bread, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 65. Because it is space itself that stretches, the most distant galaxies can drift away faster than any light could travel, softly slipping beyond our sight, not by racing through space, but by the gentle widening of the space between. Imagine a far galaxy easing so softly outward on the swelling of space that its light can no longer quite reach us. Picture how patient and gentle that slow slipping away must be. A galaxy drifting calmly past the edge of what we can see. As you rest, let that image of a soft and distant parting settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft and distant parting settle over you without any sorrow, only a calm easing away. A far galaxy drifting quietly on into a deep groan, gently wider. There is a quiet tenderness even in so gentle a farewell. And so the farthest galaxies drift softly out of view, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 66. Yet where gravity holds things gently together, within a galaxy, within our local group, within you as you lie here, the expansion does not pull them apart, for these calm-bound things drift together through the widening deep. Imagine a galaxy holding softly to itself, while all around it space stretches gently wider, its stars drifting calmly on together. Picture how steady that gentle holding must be. Whole galaxies resting quietly whole, while the great deep spreads around them. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and steady togetherness settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet comfort in knowing that what is bound stays gently bound. And so the galaxies hold softly together in the widening deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 67. Threading gently through all the empty space is a quiet, unseen thing we call dark energy, a soft, outward push woven into the deep itself. The gentle reason the great expansion carries on. Imagine a calm and hidden pressure spread evenly through every empty room of space, easing the whole universe softly wider. Picture how patient that unseen push must be, gently at work in every corner of the deep at once. As you rest, let that image of a soft, hidden gentleness settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft, hidden presence settle over your thoughts, a gentle pressure spread evenly through every quiet room of space, easing the whole universe slowly and calmly wider. There is a quiet wonder in so calm and so mysterious a helper. And so the dark energy eases the deep softly wider, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 68. For a long while the expansion was gently slowing, held back by gravity. But billions of years ago, it softly began to quicken again. And we learned this by watching the faint light of distant dying stars ease gently farther than we expected. Imagine the great widening slowing for an age, and then quietly speeding once more, drawn onward by the soft push of dark energy. Picture how patient that gentle turning must have been, the whole cosmos easing slowly into a faster, softer drift. As you lie here, let that image of a gently quickening expansion settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in so soft a change across the ages. And so, the expansion softly began to quicken, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 69. Today, the gentle dark energy is by far the greatest part of the universe, filling the vast empty spaces and quietly guiding the whole great drift of the deep, softly shaping the ages yet to come. Imagine the seen stars and galaxies as only a small, bright share, while the calm, unseen energy fills nearly all the rest. Picture how patient and vast that gentle presence must be, spread softly through the whole of space at once. As you rest, let that image of a great, quiet fullness settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that so much of everything is this calm, unseen fullness, spread quietly through the deep, gently guiding the ages with the very softest of touches. There is a deep peace in a universe held so softly by so gentle a thing. And so the dark energy fills the deep most of all, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 70. Even now, that ancient first light still bathes us softly from every side. The gentle background glow drifting quietly through the room where you lie, through the earth, through all of space, the calm relic of the universe's warm youth. Imagine a faint, even warmth passing softly through everything around you, unseen and gentle, older than every star. Picture how patient that ancient glow must be, still drifting quietly by after 13 billion years. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and ancient light settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet comfort in being wrapped so gently in the light of the beginning. And so the first light still bathes us softly tonight, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 71. And with it drift the ancient neutrinos, those ghostly quiet travelers from the universe's first second, passing gently through you now by countless soft numbers, and through the earth, and through all things, touching nothing and troubling nothing. Imagine a silent tide of the faintest particles easing softly through the room and through you, calm and endless from the very dawn of time. Picture how patient those quiet wanderers must be, drifting gently on since the universe was 1 second old. As you rest, let that image of a soft and silent tide settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft and silent tide pass gently through you as you lie here, countless faint travelers from the very first second, touching nothing and troubling nothing, calm beyond all telling. There is a quiet wonder in so gentle and unfelt a presence, and so the ancient neutrinos drift softly through us, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 72. For all its stars and galaxies, the universe is mostly gentle emptiness. Vast, soft rooms of quiet space stretching between the sparse and scattered lights. Calm and open and still. Imagine the great deep as an almost boundless stillness, its stars only the faintest gentle sprinkling across an immense and quiet dark. Picture how peaceful that vast emptiness must be, soft and open beyond all measure, holding its scattered lights gently apart. As you lie here, let that image of a great gentle emptiness settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so much soft and open space. And so the universe rests mostly in gentle emptiness, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 73. And yet within that emptiness, the numbers are gently past all counting. A great galaxy, a soft island of 100 billion stars or more, and countless galaxies drifting quietly through the deep. Imagine one soft galaxy holding more stars than you could count in 1,000 lifetimes. And then imagine ever so many more such galaxies beyond it. Picture how patient and vast that great multitude must be, gentle light upon gentle light across the whole deep. As you rest, let that image of a soft and countless host settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and vast. Let those numbers wash gently over you and then float away unheld, far too vast to grasp and far too soft to trouble you. Only a quiet reminder of how much gentle light there is. There is a quiet wonder in numbers so gently beyond us. And so the stars drift on past all counting, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 74. Across the whole observable universe, astronomers gently reckon there may be as many as 2 trillion galaxies, each one a soft city of stars. So many that the mind can only hold the number slowly, and then let it gently go. Imagine 2 trillion soft islands of light, scattered quietly across the great deep. More galaxies than the mind can ever hold. Picture how vast and patient that great host must be, drifting calmly through the endless dark. As you lie here, let that image of countless gentle galaxies settle over you, calm and slow and vast. There is a deep peace in a universe so softly full. And so the galaxies drift on in their trillions, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 75. Look out as far as we can in any direction, and the universe appears gently the same. The same soft scattering of galaxies, the same calm glow. No direction richer or emptier than another, all of it evenly and quietly spread. Imagine turning slowly to face any part of the deep and finding the same gentle sameness waiting there, calm and even everywhere. Picture how peaceful that great evenness must be, a universe balanced softly the same in every direction at once. As you rest, let that image of a calm and even cosmos settle over your thoughts, gentle and slow and mild. Let that great sameness settle over you like an even and quiet calm. No corner of the deep more restless than any other, the whole cosmos softly balanced the same all around you. There is a deep restfulness in so quiet a balance. And so the universe rests the same in every direction, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 76. And because it is so evenly spread, the universe has no edge and no center, no wall to reach, no middle to stand in. Only the same gentle, deep drifting softly on, wherever you might go. Imagine traveling forever in any direction and always finding more of the same calm galaxies. Never an ending, never a special middle. Picture how peaceful that centerless vastness must be, gentle and even and without any boundary at all. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and edgeless deep settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep comfort in a universe with no wall and no lonely center. And so the cosmos drifts on without edge or center, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 77. And within all this vastness, our own place is a soft and ordinary one, an average star in a quiet corner of an ordinary galaxy, drifting gently in the calm outskirts, one small warm home among the countless. Imagine our sun as a single gentle light far out along a spiral arm, calm and unremarkable, and yet warm and dear to us. Picture how peaceful that quiet ordinariness must be, a soft small home in a gentle backwater of the deep. As you rest, let that image of a calm and modest place settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let it comfort you to rest in so modest a corner, an ordinary star in an ordinary galaxy, quiet and unremarked, and yet warm and safe and wholly your own. There is a quiet comfort in so soft and humble a home. And so we drift gently in our quiet corner, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 78. When you gaze up at the night sky, you are gently looking into the past, for the light of every star has drifted a long while to reach you. The nearer stars as they were years ago, the far galaxies as they were long before the Earth was born. Imagine each soft point of light carrying a gentle image of an older time. The whole sky a calm and quiet gathering of the past. Picture how patient all that ancient light must be, drifting softly to your eyes across the ages. As you lie here, let that image of a sky full of gentle old light settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in seeing so softly into times long gone. And so the night sky shows us the gentle past, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 79. The farthest thing we can ever see is that soft, ancient glow, the light set free when the universe first grew clear. Beyond it lies only the warm and hidden fog of the beginning, a gentle wall of light at the edge of all our seeing. Imagine gazing softly outward until you reach the oldest light of all, past which the young cosmos was still a warm and glowing haze. Picture how patient that farthest gentle light must be, the very edge of everything we can behold. As you rest, let that image of a soft and ancient horizon settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that soft, ancient wall of light rest gently at the edge of your thoughts, the farthest thing there is to see, calm and dim and endlessly patient beyond the reach of sight. There is a quiet peace in so gentle a limit to our sight, and so the oldest light rests at the edge of our seeing, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 80. And so this is the universe as it drifts tonight, vast and gentle and mostly still, its galaxies easing softly apart, its ancient light glowing quietly on, its great structures resting calm across the deep, all of it unhurried in this soft present moment. Imagine the whole cosmos just as it is now, calm and wide and quiet, holding you gently somewhere within its immense, soft stillness. Picture how peaceful this present moment of the universe must be, drifting slowly on as you lie here at rest. As you lie here, let that image of the calm and present cosmos settle over you, gentle and slow and mild. There is a deep peace in resting within so quiet a moment of everything. And so the universe drifts gently on tonight, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 81. From here, the story drifts softly onward into the far, far future. And it is a gentle future. No crash, no ending in a moment, only a long and peaceful winding down across ages almost beyond all imagining. Imagine the universe easing ever so slowly toward rest, calm and unhurried, its long tail drifting gently toward a soft and quiet close. Picture how patient that great slow future must be, unfolding tenderly across spans of time we can barely hold in the mind. As you rest here, let that image of a gentle and peaceful future settle over you, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you to know that even the ending of everything comes softly and slowly, no sudden close anywhere, only a long and gentle easing toward rest across unimaginable time. There is a deep comfort in an ending so soft and so far away, and so the universe drifts gently toward its long rest, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 82. Through all those ages, the gentle expansion will carry softly on, and the galaxies will drift ever farther apart, the great deep growing slowly wider and calmer and more spacious with each passing age. Imagine the soft islands of light easing quietly outward across the widening dark, drifting gently on and on into the deep. Picture how patient that endless, slow spreading must be, the whole universe growing softly roomier across unimaginable time. As you lie here, let that image of a gently widening deep settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so soft and endless a spreading. And so the galaxies drift ever farther apart, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 83. As the expansion carries them off, the most distant galaxies will slowly slip beyond our reach, their light stretched too far and too faint to ever arrive, until, in the far future, the deep grows gently emptier to any watching eye. Imagine the far, soft lights easing quietly out of sight, one by one. The great deep drawing gently in around whoever might remain. Picture how tender that slow parting must be, a sky growing softly quieter across the ages. As you rest, let that image of a gently emptying deep settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that slow, soft emptying settle over your thoughts without any loneliness, only a calm and quiet drawing in, the deep growing gently more peaceful with every passing age. There is a quiet peace even in so soft a fading away, and so the far galaxies drift gently out of view, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 84. Nearer home in some billions of years, our own Milky Way and the great Andromeda may drift softly together and gently merge into a single calm galaxy, their stars easing quietly past one another with room to spare, never truly colliding at all. Imagine two great spirals drawing slowly nearer and folding softly into one, calm and unhurried across hundreds of millions of years. Picture how gentle that slow merging must be, two galaxies becoming one without a single star disturbed. As you lie here, let that image of a soft galactic joining settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet tenderness in so gentle a coming together. And so the Milky Way and Andromeda may merge softly, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 85. Slowly, across the long ages, the universe will make fewer and fewer new stars, for the gentle gas that feeds their birth is quietly being used up, a little more with every passing generation. Imagine the great star nurseries easing gradually quieter, fewer soft new lights kindling as the ages drift by. Picture how patient that slow waning must be, the universe softly spending its gas across unimaginable time. As you rest, let that image of a gently quieting star birth settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that gentle slowing carry your own thoughts down with it, the great making of stars easing quietly toward rest, unhurried and calm, a little softer with each passing age. There is a quiet peace in so soft and gradual a slowing, and so the making of stars gently wanes, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 86. And as the new stars grow fewer, the universe will drift softly past the great season of its star-making, easing gently out of the springtime of the stars and into a quieter, dimmer, more peaceful age. Imagine the cosmos slowly settling from its bright, fertile youth into a calm and gentle later age, its lights growing fewer and softer. Picture how patient that long quieting must be, the universe easing tenderly toward its evening across the ages. As you lie here, let that image of a soft cosmic evening settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so gentle a passing of the day. And so the universe drifts softly past its brightest season, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 87. The stars that will linger longest are the small, cool, red dwarfs, which burn their gentle fuel so slowly that they may shine softly on for trillions of years. The last patient candles of the deep. Imagine a small red star glowing calm and dim, sipping its fuel so gently that it outlasts every brighter sun by ages upon ages. Picture how patient those little stars must be, burning softly on long after the great bright stars have faded. As you rest, let that image of a soft, enduring ember settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let those small red embers glow gently in your mind, sipping their fuel so slowly that they outlast every brighter star, keeping a soft warmth in the deep for ages upon ages. There is a quiet comfort in so gentle and lasting a light, and so the small red stars shine softly on, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 88. And these small red stars are also the most common stars there are, far more numerous than the great bright suns, quietly outnumbering them many times over across every galaxy. Imagine the whole deep gently sprinkled with these countless small red lights, calm and dim and patient. By far the most plentiful stars the universe ever made. Picture how peaceful that soft red multitude must be, glowing quietly on long after the rare bright stars have faded. As you lie here, let that image of countless gentle red embers settle over you, calm and slow and warm. There is a quiet comfort in so soft and so numerous a light. And so, the small red stars, most common of all, shine gently on through the deep, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 89. At last, after perhaps 100 trillion years, even the smallest stars will have gently spent their fuel, and no new stars will form, for the last of the star-making gas will softly be gone, the quiet end of the age of starlight. Imagine the final small ember easing gently out, and no new light kindling to take its place, the deep settling softly into a calm and starless quiet. Picture how patient that last, long fading must be. The universe drifting tenderly past its final star. As you rest, let that image of a soft and starless calm settle over your thoughts. Calm and slow and mild. Let that image of a final quiet star settle over you, its soft light easing gently out with nothing to take its place. The deep drifting calmly into a peaceful, starless hush. There is a quiet peace in so gentle a close to the light. And so the age of starlight softly ends, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 90. After the stars, the universe drifts into a long, gentle age of quiet remnants. The cooling white embers of dead stars, the dense, still cores, and the dark drifting worlds, resting softly in a deep-grown calm and dim. Imagine a great quiet sky of gentle, fading embers, no bright stars anywhere, only the soft, cooling remains of all that once shone. Picture how patient that long, dim age must be, the universe resting softly among the quiet keepsakes of its stars. As you lie here, let that image of a calm and dimming deep settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so gentle and quiet an age. And so the universe drifts among its soft remnants, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 91. Those white embers left by dying stars will slowly cool across ages upon ages, their soft glow easing gentler and gentler, until at last they fade quietly into cold, dark cinders, drifting calm and unseen through the deep. Imagine a small, warm coal, easing ever so slowly, dimmer across unimaginable time. Its gentle light softening at last into quiet dark. Picture how patient that endless cooling must be, a slow fading beyond all haste, gentle beyond all telling. As you rest, let that image of a soft, cooling ember settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let those cooling embers fade gently through your thoughts, their soft glow easing dimmer and dimmer across ages beyond all counting, until they rest at last as calm, dark cinders. There is a quiet peace in so gentle and unhurried a fading. And so the white embers cool softly into the dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 92. As the last embers fade, the deep will grow gently darker and quieter still, the scattered lights winking softly out one by one until the universe drifts calm and dim and peaceful, wrapped in a soft and gathering dark. Imagine the final faint glimmers easing quietly away. The great deep settling gently into a calm and even darkness. Picture how patient that slow darkening must be, a whole universe easing tenderly toward quiet rest. As you lie here, let that image of a soft gathering dark settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so gentle a nightfall, and so the deep grows softly dark and quiet, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 93. Through this long dim age, the great black holes will remain, drifting calm and patient in the dark long after the stars are gone. The last great quiet things in a universe grown soft and still. Imagine those deep, gentle stillnesses drifting on through the darkened deep, calm and unhurried, keeping their long watch across unimaginable time. Picture how patient those great, quiet remnants must be, lingering softly on when almost all else has faded. As you rest, let that image of a calm and enduring stillness settle over your thoughts. Calm and slow and mild. Let those great, quiet stillnesses drift gently through your mind. The last patient things in a darkened deep, keeping their long, soft watch across spans of time beyond all thought. There is a profound peace in so gentle and lasting a quiet. And so, the black holes drift on through the long dark, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 94. Yet even the black holes will not last forever, for they slowly give off the faintest whisper of warmth and ease away over ages so vast the numbers lose all meaning, softly shrinking across the deep. Imagine a great, quiet giant releasing the gentlest breath of warmth across time beyond all thought, easing itself ever so slowly, smaller. Picture how patient that unimaginable fading must be. A slowness so deep, it makes every other slowness seem swift. As you lie here, let that image of a soft and endless dwindling settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a quiet wonder in so gentle a fading of the last great things. And so even the black holes ease softly away, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 95. In the very far future, after times so long they can hardly be spoken, the last great black hole will softly finish its slow fading, and with it, the last of the universe's great structures will gently be gone. Imagine the final deep stillness easing quietly away at the close of an almost endless age, the deep left softer and stiller than ever before. Picture how patient that last long fading must be, the closing of the universe's great and quiet chapter. As you rest, let that image of a soft and final easing settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let that final soft easing settle over your thoughts, the last great stillness fading gently away at the close of an almost endless age, the deep left calmer than ever before. There is a quiet peace in so gentle a completion, and so the last great things drift softly away, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 96. What remains then is a soft and boundless quiet, only the faintest whisper of scattered light and drifting particles, spread thin and gentle through an endless dark, calm beyond any calm we know. Imagine a vast, still deep, holding nothing but the softest scattering of faint and gentle things, drifting quietly on forever. Picture how peaceful that great emptiness must be, calm and even and endlessly at rest. As you lie here, let that image of a soft, boundless quiet settle over you, calm and slow and mild. There is a deep restfulness in so gentle and complete a stillness. And so the universe drifts into soft and boundless quiet, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 97. This gentle, far-off rest is sometimes called the heat death, though there is nothing harsh in it at all, only a universe grown perfectly even and calm. Its warmth spreads softly everywhere the same, with nothing left to stir. Imagine all the deep settled into one gentle, even quiet. No hot and no cold, no rushing anywhere, only a soft and boundless stillness. Picture how peaceful that final evenness must be. The whole cosmos come at last to perfect and gentle rest. As you rest, let that image of a soft and even calm settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and mild. Let it soothe you that even this is only a deepening of calm. Warmth spread softly and evenly, everywhere the same. The whole universe come at last to a gentle and boundless rest. There is a deep peace in so complete and gentle a stillness. And so the universe eases into its soft and even rest, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 98. In that far rest, the universe will be gentler and stiller and colder than any winter night, spread soft and even through the endless dark, quiet beyond all sound and calm beyond all haste, a perfect and peaceful stillness. Imagine a hush, so deep and so complete that it wraps the whole of everything, soft and even and endlessly calm. Picture how profound that final quiet must be, a stillness holding all of space in its gentle rest. As you lie here, let that image of a boundless, perfect calm settle over you, gentle and slow and soft. There is a deep and soothing peace in so complete a rest. And so the universe rests at last in perfect stillness, patient and calm, resting quietly in the dark. Fact 99. And yet all of that lies unthinkably far away, across ages so vast that our own time, 13 billion years along, is still only the bright and gentle dawn of the universe, the warm early morning of everything, with all the long day yet to come. Imagine the whole future drifting softly ahead, so long that this present moment is but the first soft light of a boundless day. Picture how gentle it is to rest so near the beginning, warm and safe in the young morning of the deep. As you rest, let that image of a soft, cosmic dawn settle over your thoughts, calm and slow and warm. Let it warm you to rest so near the very beginning, safe in the soft, early morning of everything, with all the long and gentle day still drifting quietly ahead. There is a deep comfort in living so early in so long a story. And so we rest in the gentle dawn of the universe, patient and calm, resting quietly in the deep. Fact 100. And so we come to the end of the long story of the universe, from its first warm moment through the birth of light and the gathering of galaxies, to the soft and peaceful rest of the far, far future. All of it one gentle and unhurried whole. Imagine the whole great tale now, drawn softly together. The warm beginning, the cosmic dawn, the slow bright noon of the stars, and the calm and endless evening still to come. Picture how peaceful it is to hold all of time in a single quiet thought, and to know that every age of it is gentle. As you drift toward sleep, let the whole soft story settle over you, calm and slow and warm, from the first light to the last quiet rest. There is nothing to fear anywhere in it, only a gentle unfolding, patient and calm across all the ages. Let the calm of the universe become your calm, and its long, slow rest become your rest. And so the whole universe drifts gently on, from its warm beginning to its soft and peaceful end, cradling you quietly tonight, just as you rest now. And so we come to the end of our slow journey through the whole story of the universe. You have drifted from its first warm moment, through the clearing of the ancient light, past the kindling of the first stars and the gathering of the great galaxies, all the way to the soft and gentle rest of the far, far future. Everything out there is calm now, and everything here is calm too. There is nothing left to do, nowhere left to go, only this soft and settling quiet. Let your breath grow slow and easy, and let the whole vast universe drift gently on without you, patient and peaceful across all the endless ages. Sleep now, warm and safe and still, held softly within a cosmos that asks nothing of you. There is no ending here, only a long and gentle fading, soft and slow, into deep and easy sleep. Good night.